So guys, how to add image in HTML? It's really simple. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. To add image, at first we need to go to the directory where we have our HTML file, and inside the same directory we need to have our image. Also we can create new folder like this one, images, then put the image inside that folder. This way we can easily organize our images. Now suppose we want to add this image inside our web page. Let's bring our notepad back. Now inside the body, write less than img for image, then src for source equal double quotation, then alt equal double quotation, then close it with greater than. Now inside the source we will put our image name. So our image name was ele.png. For alt, suppose our HTML document cannot able to find the image. If that happens, then the web page will show this message. Suppose where is my image? Now save, reload. See, our web page cannot able to find our image. So what's the problem here? We have the correct name. Mainly there is no problem, but as our image is inside the images folder, we need to put this folder name in front of our image name. So images/ele.png. Now if we save and reload, see, we have our image, but it's too big. To control the size, we need to add width equal double quotation, inside suppose 300 pixel, then the height suppose auto, so that the image maintain its aspect ratio. Now save the document and reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.